So next, for the keyboard, you have to choose US and click yes. Then you skip the keyboard layout. So this will continue to update and bring you different options of configuration. So just be by your computer and look out for the configuration options that it's putting forward. This is very important. So just be patient with the process. So just wait with the installation process. I think we're getting to another stage. Okay, so this was where I was talking about earlier, that if you don't have internet connectivity, it's going to mention it in here. And if you don't have internet connectivity, there's an option that says I don't have internet. So you click on the option on the lower left corner. So if you're installing this from the lab, most likely your default switch won't have internet connectivity. So you click an option here that says I don't have internet. But for me, I do have internet. If you're installing this from your computer and you have internet connectivity, you click next. So if you don't have internet connectivity, you click on that option and you click next also. So the installation process may take a little bit of a different route, but you'll get to the end point of installing, completely installing your Windows 10. So don't be afraid about what you see on this interface. So with your internet connectivity, it's going to look for some updates, um, even set up a domain login and some other things. So if you're offline, your installation process might be a little different. If you select I don't have internet, then you have to manually put in the name of the PC, answer some secret questions, manually put in a local password. So that's the little difference from this particular area. Okay, so it says who who's going to use this PC. So I'm gonna put my first name, or even better, use an online account. So it's either use an online account, so you can see it in here, or log in with your domain information. So I'm gonna use an offline account. I'm not gonna use my domain information, but you can use either of the two. So if you're using an online account, all you need to do is sign in using the password for your student's email address. So it's going to use your official student email address to log in. However, if you are using an offline account, then you have to uh, go through this process and put in your first name. So uh, I'm going to use a local account instead of an online account. I already have an online account for the first instance of Windows. So I want to show you how yours most likely will come up on your own PC in the lab. And even on your own computer, you can choose either of the two. So I'm choosing this first option. So I'm going to choose a password here. Okay. Confirm my password. Ensure that it's something that you can remember. So this is where it asks you for 3 secret questions. So I'm just going to put some random answers in here. So put whatever works for you. So choose whatever works for you. So if you're born in Durban, you choose Durban. Okay, so answer the 3 secret questions and it will install your information for you.